In India, nearly 10,000 people died in 4 days, and the number of confirmed C-19 cases rose to 350,000 a day. The situation in India, where both medical oxygen and beds are running out, and the death rate is rising, seems worse than ever before. This is an open crematorium in New Delhi, the capital of India. All the crematoria are full of the people who died of the C-19, and the crematoria are operated for 24 hours. It is even said that the chimney started to melt due to the tremendous heat as the crematoria work continuously. Bodies are piled up on the empty lot on the side of the village, and they have to wait for their turn. The bodies that cannot yet be burned remain on the vehicle or outside the building. The C-19 situation in India now seems hopeless. The people are desperate. The serious situation can no longer be assessed.
कोई देखने वाला नहीं है इनको आज सांस की तकलीफ से मर रहे सारे हैं लाशें मंजर लगा हुआ है बाहर वेटिंग में पड़ी है लाशें हमारे पास किसी शमशान घाट में जलाने की जगह नहीं है बहुत बुरा वक्त है जी बहुत बुरा वक्त
With more than 300,000 confirmed cases a day, the most serious problem is the lack of medical oxygen, which is essential for C-19 patients.
We need oxygen immediately, and our persons are wandering here and there for oxygen, but there is no help, no hope.
Many hospitals have already posted a notice at the entrance that there is no more oxygen. When the news spread that the oxygen tank had arrived at the one hospital, people flocked there to get the oxygen. Indian authorities have taken urgent action by using industrial oxygen for medical purpose and converting trains into makeshift clinics, but this too is not even enough. Due to the lack of oxygen tanks and out of sheer desperation, family members of a patient come to the hospital to steal oxygen tanks.
कि किसको ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है किसको नहीं है लेकिन उसके बाद में भी रिश्तेदार मरीज के रिश्तेदार 2-2 3-3 सिलेंडर लेके जा रहे हैं खालियों का पता नहीं चल रहा है कुछ लोग गाड़ियों में भर के लेके जा रहे हैं हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ 2 कर्मचारी जो देखते हैं उनके ऊपर ऐसे बाहर करते हैं मेरे को मानने को तैयार हो जाते हैं
The Indian government is making efforts to provide medical oxygen by express trains and public planes, but the situation is showing no sign of improvement. On the night of 23rd, even in the large hospital in New Delhi, more than 20 patients died at the same time due to the oxygen supply problem.
ये सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन की वजह से मेरा पति मारा इन्होंने हमें कहते हार्ट सिंक हो गया 22-23 बंदे ऐसे थोड़ी मर जाएंगे.
Moreover, in India, a triple mutant virus has been discovered following a second mutation that is highly contagious. When it became known that the situation was getting worse, countries around the world began to provide emergency aid. The European Union, Germany, and France have pledged to provide India with essential medical equipment, including respirators. The US also promised that it would provide raw materials for vaccines. India's situation was good at first, so why did the situation arise? India's quarantine status had previously been lowered as the number of newly confirmed cases has dropped below 10,000 by then. Another reason was that hundreds of thousands of people flocked to celebrate the Hindu festival of Kumbh Mela, and also they didn't adhere to social distancing and did not wear the mask. Also, hundreds of thousands of people gathered at crowded place because of the local election rally in India at the end of March. On the 17th, when more than 234,000 new C-19 cases reported in India, Prime Minister Modi held an election rally in the West Bengal village of Asansol and tweeted, "I never seen such a large crowd." A large number of people was supporting Modi regarding his handling of India's C-19 situation at the beginning. However, after the election rally, countless Indians have criticized Modi for the spread of C-19 caused by the election rally. Meanwhile, countries around the world, including the UK and Canada, have closed their border to people coming from India to prevent the virus mutations from spreading further. But before Britain began restricting entry, some wealthy Indians took the opportunity to flee India on the charter plane, with ticket prices running into the billions of dollars. There are still lots of people who claim that C-19 is nothing more than a flu. But what will they say for the India's situation of 2021? What do you think of this video? Your Patreon and YouTube membership support would be really helpful so that I can keep sharing news like this with you. Thanks for watching, comments, likes, and sharing. Be safe.